How's it going? Shades here, and welcome back to another video. So here today, I want to talk to y'all about investing into the stock market. Because, honestly, everybody should invest their money into something. They should not have it sit in a bank. And that's honestly what a lot of people do. That's what they choose to do, and nobody really knows why. Everybody has their reasons, but you should really have your money work for you, and investing is a good way to do that. So you make more money, obviously. So yeah, stay till the end of the video, and hopefully by the end of the video, you too start investing into stocks like I do. Alright, so let's dive in here. Let's talk about when the stock market opens. Pacific time. It opens at 6:30 a.m. and closes at 1 p.m. Monday through Friday. The stock market is closed on holidays and Saturdays and Sundays. All right, now let's talk about one of my favorite stocks, Build-A-Bear Workshop. So as of right now, one share of Build-A-Bear Workshop would cost $17.73. This morning, it cost, by this graph, $17.60. That would have been the price of Build-A-Bear at 6:30 a.m., as you can see. Today, Build-A-Bear made 16 cents with their stock. After hours, they're down 3 cents. So what that kind of means, after hours, what that means is on Monday, when the stock market opens, the stock of Build-A-Bear might be $17.70. $17.70. That's because after hours, they've lost about 3 cents. So it should be around that range come Monday. So scrolling around here, you can look at the 1 week. They've made 38 cents this week. This month, they made $3.38, and so on and so forth. I have, looking at my position, 292 shares of Build-A-Bear at an average cost of $14.64. So basically what that means is, talking about the average cost here, if you have a lower average cost than the current price of a stock, you're making money. So as you can see, if you look at my total return, if I were to sell every Build-A-Bear share that I have, all 292 shares, I would get a $902.02 return. That would be my return. So let's get an example here, okay? Because that's honestly a little bit confusing. So let's say, for example, I bought Build-A-Bear today at 6:30 a.m. for $17.60, okay? And then I decided to sell it at 8:05 a.m. when it was $17.94. I would have made $0.34, because $17.94 minus $17.60 is 34 cents. So for every share I would have bought this morning, I would have made 34 cents pretty much. So pretty cool. So here today I made $37.96. which I'm not really happy about because I hold long term. And what that means is basically I hope all my stocks drop so I can buy more. And then in the future, I kind of hope that they go up, so I make more money, obviously. Buy low and then sell high. That's what you do in the stock market, pretty much. So looking around here, you can look at the About Build-A-Bear. You can kind of see what they're all about. You can look at their CEO, it's Sharon Price John. They were founded in 1997. They've got 3,700 employees. Their headquarters, St. Louis and Missouri. You can look at their stats. They opened at $17.69 a share. The highest of the day was $17.99. So basically, it's what the highest point of the stock was, and the lowest would have been $17.40. 52-week high is obviously the highest they've ever been in 52 weeks, and then 52-week lows, the same thing. You can look at the volume, average volume, market cap, and PE ratio. I don't really look at any of that. I honestly go on Google and I type in whatever company it is, and I do my research through Google. I basically type in BBW stock and then filter to news, and I look at all the news and everything like that I need to know about the company. I get all my information that way. You can look at earnings reports. It looks like for quarter 3, they had good earnings. They beat it pretty easily. Quarter 4, they beat it. Quarter 1, they beat it. Quarter 2 looks like they might have missed. And quarter 3, it doesn't look like that's happened yet. I honestly do all of that on Google as well. I look at all that. It gives me way more information there than on this app, Robinhood. Scrolling around, let's look at another stock here. Let's just type in Nike. I don't currently own Nike, but here's another example. Right now, Nike, $105.88. Here's a little bit of news. Here's some analysts, what they're saying about Nike as of right now. 66% rated to buy, 34% rated to hold. Nobody wants you to sell it. Honestly, just do your research and everything like that. Alright, so some quick things that I forgot to put in the video. So looking back at Build-A-Bear here, and you can do this for any stock. If you hit trade and then buy, obviously you can buy a stock. You can put 5, like let's say I want to buy 5 shares of Build-A-Bear. It's going to cost me about $88.65 at a market price of $17.73. I don't want to do that. If you go up here and click on this tab that says shares, you have a whole bunch of options. What I like to do is hit limit order. And I can go, alright, I want to buy Build-A-Bear if it drops to $17.60. And then I hit continue and put market hours. Good till Monday at 1 p.m. And then I can put how many shares I want to buy. So basically what this does is if Build-A-Bear drops to $17.60 anytime on Monday, it will automatically buy it. So I can be out living my life, doing whatever, and I don't have to be on my phone. So if it drops to that price, it will automatically buy it just like that. And I don't have to do anything. That's all I had to do, was just put in the limit order. And if it doesn't drop that low, then it doesn't drop that low. It will just cancel the order at the end of the day. at 1 p.m. when the market closes. And then I could put a new one for the next day, you know? So yeah, that's really cool. And then the second thing I wanted to tell you all about is the volume. And that's basically how many people have traded the stock around on the day. So for Build-A-Bear, it's 183,283. And then for Nike, so that's the other one we used, had a whole bunch of volume. So a whole bunch of people were trading and selling it or whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you got any questions or anything like that, let me know. It's really not that complicated. Make your money work for you. Peace out. All right, so some quick things before I end the video. So first off, you can use any brokerage to trade stocks. You can use Robinhood like I do. You can use Webull, etc., etc. There's a whole bunch. You can even hire somebody to trade for you. There's a whole bunch of options out there. Like I said, I use Robinhood, and what I wanted to let y'all know is if you use my referral link, which will be down in the description below, if you use my referral link, you will get a free $200 stock of your choice for absolutely free. No catch. You get to choose from Apple, you get to choose from Nike, Disney, etc., etc. You get it for free. And once you get that stock, after it's been processed and everything like that, you can sell it immediately for the straight cash, or you can hold it long term. You can just forget about it. Let's say that stock goes up. A couple months later, who knows? It's up $100. $100 from 200, that's 300. So all in all, you got a free $300, and you got a free $100 from just waiting a few months. Pretty cool, free cash. Sign up if you like. Not forcing to you, but if you like free money like I do, sign up. It takes a few seconds. You'll get a free $200 stock. Do whatever you want with it. And if you don't want to invest, you don't got to invest. You can still sign up and get some free money. Think about it. I am Shades. Till next time, signing off. Peace.